Welcome to this video on Coupa Training, brought to you by Hope Infotech. We are here to guide you through mastering this platform. This training is designed to help professionals gain expertise in cloud-based business spend management, including procurement automation, invoicing, and supplier collaboration. You will cover core concepts, practical workflows, and real-time implementation scenarios to help you improve operational efficiency and advance your career in modern procurement. Why choose this program? You will gain practical knowledge through real-time scenarios and hands-on practice, helping you build industry-relevant skills, prepare for successful Coupa implementations, and enhance your overall career growth prospects. Our training features a practical learning approach focused on procurement automation, sourcing, and spend control. The program combines theoretical knowledge with hands-on exercises, expert-led sessions, and flexible learning options that are tailored for professional certification. Benefits of the program include gaining hands-on experience with procurement workflows, mastering industry-standard sourcing practices, and developing expertise in automation. You will be prepared for certification and better equipped to solve complex problems in real-world business scenarios. This training opens doors to various job roles, such as a procurement analyst, sourcing specialist, Coupa consultant, or spend manager, each focused on optimizing efficiency and maintaining compliance within the platform. In conclusion, this Coupa training provides the essential skills needed to manage procurement and spend management processes effectively, helping you advance your career in today's business environments. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like to discuss further details, please feel free to reach out to us via our phone number or visit our website at hopeinfotech.com.